Dink. Oh my god. No, you already did over there. Do the kitchen. Go that way. Oh, yes. Go get Oscar.
Flash of the Titan.
Dun dun dun. Oh, this thing is pretty smart. Well, Oscar and Roomba seem to be hitting it off okay.
Oh, look at that shit.
Whoa, cool! It knows!
It's got like hydraulics.
It got all up in my crevice. That's the most action I've gotten in a while. Hey-o!
Oh, man, I'm glad it was vacuum.
No one backs Corey into a corner. So, like, how does it know when it's done?
Doesn't it just go on forever?
Well, I think it's supposed to go back to its home base or whatever.
Maybe when it runs out of juice.
Huh?
Maybe when it runs out of juice.
Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't have to charge it. It was just, like, ready to go.
Fucking, how much was it?
Like, $200.
Yeah, it better be ready to go for $200.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm ready to go for $200.
Yeah, man, me too. Giggity! I don't know. I gotta take a shower too, actually. I like that it has a smile.
Did you get googly eyes yet?
No, I need googly
We'll have to
eyes.
make a trip to the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
I have to get a price right.
Oh wait, I want it to go in here too. Roomba, go in here. Ow. Hey,
Roomba.
hey Roomba. Go that way. Yeah. Go. Yeah, that's right. Nope. Yep, there you go. Good job. No, what are you doing? You're not done in there yet. Hey, that's my cat's water. Stop spilling that. Damn, Roomba's a dick. Quit it. Hey, man, you're not done in there. Yeah, oh my god. I was totally thinking that. Meow. Alright, so I wanted it to go do this hallway thing, but never mind. Go do my bedroom, Roomba.
I'm fucking covered in bruises from moving
Me too. Oscar's like, come at me, bro. God, this is super entertaining. Oh no! Go that way. That way. Dang it, Roomba. No, this way. No. Yeah. No. No, no, no. Go in the hallway. Come on. You already did under the chair. What are you doing, man? Go home, Roomba. You're drunk. Uh-oh. This isn't going to end well. Dope. Oh my god, this is super funny. Doo-doo-doo. I think it's having sex with my chair. Man, come on. I can't tell if my floor is cleaner or not. Looks about the same. Okay, I didn't ask for a chair washer, damn it. Oh, yeah, do the corner. Good idea. Thank you. You missed a spot. Hey, what about that leaf? You missed that leaf. Hey, dude. Go get the leaf. There's a leaf. Oh, no, that's my cell charger. Don't do that. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, that's right. It got the leaf. Alright, the corner's fine, dude. You can stop. Yeah, it's like uber entertaining. It's like drunk. It keeps walking into shit. I can't wait till I come home and stumble around drunk with my Roomba later. That'll be fun. Crash into all the things! What you doing, man? Don't! Oh, shit. It, like, jumps. Yeah. Go to the hallway. What did I say? Hallway! Okay, turn around. Just do the hallway, man. Don't make me pick you up, bitch. No, you already cleaned my damn chair. Uh-oh. Is there any way you could just go to that hallway with all that crap on the floor? You know, it's kind of dirty. That would be real cool of you, man. Hey. Okay, this thing is obsessed with my chairs and it won't stop cleaning them. I must have. I know, I have some dirty chairs. Like, seriously. It's like obsessed with them. Watch. What? See, there it goes again. Like, what's with the chairs, bro? Come on. Alright. Guess what? No more chair, bitch. No. Oh my god, it's chasing it. Oh my god. Alright, yeah. Go in the hallway. Fucking finally. Hallway. Come on. Oh, you were so close. Why didn't it go? Back to the chair again, I see. Now it's going to spill my cat's water again. Herp-a-derp. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh, I think it's getting somewhere finally. Yeah! Good job! That's what's up. Alright, cool. Now I can stop recording. Booyah!